Hello there, math leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of functions. Let's dive into it. If the function k is defined by k of x equals 5x, which of the following is equivalent to k of x plus 2? In the choice A, we have 5x. In the choice B, we have 5x plus 2. Choice C is given 5x plus 10, and the choice D is given as just 10. So this is a typical question you might face during the SAT exam, because this is like a bit different than the other kind of other type of function questions. So you are given the k of x equals as 5x, which means that whatever you do, you see in the parentheses, that needs to be, do you see that? We have same thing in here. That needs to be multiplied by 5. So since in this section, they just give us x plus 2, I'm going to write, instead of x, I'm going to write now x plus 2. To find the value of k of x plus 2, we will go ahead and distribute this 5 into the parentheses. So let's do that. 5 times x is 5x, plus 5 times 2 is 10. So we just found then the value of k of x plus 2 is 5x plus 10. If you would pay attention, that is the choice C for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.